next up we have Salesforce Education Cloud introduction itself only. So I will quickly talk about what Salesforce Education Cloud is. So basically what we just discussed, everything and anything that has to do with educational institutes across various segments itself only, be it kindergarten, be it junior high, be it high school, be it universities, be it colleges, be it vocational center as well, be it training institutes as well itself only. They all need a way to kind of manage their processes. They want the system which can actually manage their students, which can manage their progress, which can manage their achievements, which can manage their alumni as well. Salesforce Education Cloud is one-stop solution of that. I may have missed some of the features, but it's much, much more than that. So it's basically one-stop solution which caters to do entire end-to-end needs for any kind of educational institute, be it how small, be it how big, be it privately owned, be it publicly owned, be it co-owned itself only by semi-government itself only. That is also possible. So that is Education Cloud. It is tailored for education institutes, and if I talk about it, provides education journeys and serve as a centralized platform, a platform where you have centralized data of all the students, of all the information that you need, which you can then act on to give a custom tailored experience to the students, a custom tailored experience to the parents as well, and you can also give personalized experiences across all the touch points that you have. And with that, Salesforce is there into the picture of Salesforce Education Cloud. And with Salesforce, you get the capability of doing a lot of automations, a lot of workflows. And with Agentforce into the mix, you can automate a lot of things, and you can actually leverage AI to increase value in your business. So that is what basically Education Cloud is. On a high level, we will be going deep dive into a lot of stuff, and then we will be having a demo as well, which should set the stage for you. What are all the things it can do? Even in our demo itself, we have only touched the tip of the iceberg. There are so many things that it can do. So yeah.
I have a follow-up question here, Vijay. So you mentioned that what all things the Education Cloud can do, and the data that it can hold, the data that it can provide in when the need is there, and it takes care of the students, the alumni, the educational institutes, and everybody. How secure is that data? And what Salesforce is doing in order to make sure that the data is secure? Because again, data is something which is very critical for any business out there. So how does how secure is that data?
Okay, that's a really nice question, Neha. So security in Salesforce Education Cloud, I would say falls back to security in Salesforce itself only, because Salesforce Education Cloud is built on top of Salesforce platform, the force.com platform itself only. So it's very secure, and it provides all the things that you need, from role-based access to special access that you may want to give. You have field level access, you have record level access. So that is all there. And that is basically a need for any kind of SaaS platform. So that is definitely provided by Salesforce. But on top of it, Salesforce also provides the encryption capabilities as well, where you can highlight that this field is HIPAA, or this field is PII information, this particular field is GDPR. You can specify that, and Salesforce will take additional care for those kind of fields.
You're saying that it is takes care of the compliances as well.
It takes care of the
into the
compliance.
education industry.
Yeah, and it also goes one step beyond. If you have a specific need for data security and data privacy, you can implement Salesforce Shield, and it can actually encrypt the data at rest as well, and it in transit as well, and you can manage how frequently the encryption keys are changed. So even if somebody got access to your data and it is trying to utilize it, but you are changing your keys, the key which is kind of encrypting the data every 2 weeks, every 1 week, so they will not be able to get access to that. So Salesforce is a very robust platform which provides security and safety itself only, and it's number one CRM platform, and in CRM the data is very, very, very crucial.
Very important, yeah.
So Salesforce as a platform provides that layer, so you really need not worry about how it will be done and if it's possible or not. It's possible, definitely. It's just what level of security you are looking for.
And I think it is very important that, with your answer, I think so many people who are running or owning the educational institutes or are planning to use Salesforce Education Cloud will have that sense of relief
Yeah.
Because of course, for everybody, data, as we said, data is very critical and very important. So yes, that answered my question. Thank you.
Right. That was a really nice question. I think you are covering some of the topics which I was supposed to discuss in a later slide. But anyways, it's
I'm
good.
making your job easier. Yeah.
All right. So next we have Education Cloud. So you can look at it. There are two aspects to it. There is learner success. Then there is institution success. On the learner success side, you have student experience and recruit and admission. And then on institution side, we have advancement and alumni engagement and institution operations. What does that mean is it provides end-to-end solution for recruitment and admissions of students. And once they are recruited, once they have gotten into our university or into our education institute itself only, we can provide them a student experience where they can see, or where their parents can see all the information that is needed, how he is performing, what are the course he is enrolled into, what's the grade, what are the different activities he has been a part of, and various other things as well. We will be seeing them in the demo as well. We have advancement and alumni engagement. We have the capability of engaging with alumni and having a lot of activities around that. Then we have institution operations where we can manage the course offerings, the care plans, the alerts that we can configure. I think we will be talking about that as well in a while in our demo itself only. So yeah, that is also something which is possible.